Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I wanted to show you this, and it is the Nelko portable label maker. I was going to call it a printer, but it is a printer. So let's go ahead and let me show you. It comes with some information to get started. You guys, it's quick and easy. Look at how little it is. It's just tiny, hand portable, and it comes with a USB-C, and so it's very easy to charge. You just plug it right in here. Now this, I'll just show you a few things. This is a cutter here. Your labels come out of here, and when you want to put your labels in, you just drop it in there and close it up, and it finds perfect where it needs to be. So here's information in case you need it, but I'll tell you what, you know me, I do not look at the instructions first. I always try and then see what happens. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you. I've hooked it up to this phone here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And all you do is hold that button until you see that it's green, and then you download the app. And I think there's a scan code is how I found the app. Oh, right here. So iOS or Android. So I scanned that so it could bring that Bluetooth. I'm going to really quick make sure I have my Bluetooth on. I know you guys can talk to me about my scrolling, how many apps I have on my phone. I live by my phone, so let's go ahead and get with that. So I'm going to open that Nelko app, and that blue automatically popped up, so it's already connected. So all you have to do, so I'm going to show you one thing that I printed on the clear labels, which is currently in there. I just wanted my name and Beauty and the Stamper on my favorite tool, so I grabbed my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm like, there's so many things that I could go ahead and label. So I put the label template right in there. So all I have to do is hit it and then print. We're going to print one copy, and look at this. It's going to print right out just like I needed it to. And then when I want to cut it, I just push up and it cuts it right out. So I thought that was really cool. But let's say I don't have the template. This would be great for, like, if you're at a show or like a expo and you're selling something and you need labels. You can just take this and have that label and make it on the go. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to hit the plus button, and I'm just going to double click to edit, and you can bold it, italicize it, underline it, or what's that called, strike through. So we'll go ahead and we're going to double click to edit that, and I'll just put, again, I'll label this Jeans Printer, and I'll confirm that it looks good. I'm going to hit print. I just need one. I don't think I've labeled this already, and we'll go ahead and hit print. And there, it's going to print again. It's got Jeans Printer written on there. And that's it. Then you take that, you pull that right off, and look at that. We can put that right on here. And it's Jeans Printer. And it never runs out of ink because it is a thermal. So I just think that's really cool. There's a few other things on here that, do I want to save it? I'm not going to need that again, so I don't need to save it. But there's templates, and let's say you were doing anything here. Any of these. You might do some journaling, or, you know, working on your planners. These would be great here. So I can do, let's look real quick. The meeting room, click on that, and then I can put just double click team meeting. I'm going to return. And then I'm going to put on here 5:30 p.m. And then we'll put on Thursday. Okay, so I'm going to return that. I'm going to confirm that, I guess. So, again, I'm playing with this just like you guys. Oh, did I double did it here. So I'm going to come here, team meeting. Return that. Confirm that that's what I want, and now I can make it a little bit bigger there. And so we've got that, but I like to have mine all set up nice and centered, so I'll do something like that. And then we're good, so then I can just print that out. I only need one, or if I wanted to do one for every month, I could do 12, and then just put them on my planner. And there it is. Team meeting. And look, it printed out that cute little guy there. So now I can put that straight on my planner. So I thought this was really cool. I'm going to go ahead and I'll put a link for you if you'd like. I just got this from, it was sent through Amazon, so I like this. I was looking for one, and when this company said, hey, I want to have you review our printer, I was like, yeah, let's do it. So I've had it for about a week or so, so I've labeled a few things, I've used it, and I really like it. And you guys know I will be completely honest with you whenever I do these kind of reviews. So this one definitely something if you do a lot of labels. Now I have a labeler. I have a brother labeler, you know, one of those big ones that you have the QWERTY key and everything. But I'll tell you what, it's always out of batteries, or I need to get new film. So you can get new film for this, I'm sure, online. I haven't had to do it yet, but I'm sure they have it in clear, obviously, and they probably have it in at least a white and black as well. You know, for the white with the black printing. I'm assuming that, actually, but I think I'm assuming pretty decently. Anyways, I will go ahead and let me see if there's any certain things that they really talk about that I didn't talk about, because they left me a few things. Yeah, they said it's convenient and compact, of course. Simple operation in 30 seconds or less, and you guys saw how fast I was able to do that. Clear print, multiple uses, DIY, decoration, and other functions. So, yeah, I can go ahead and give you a link if you want to go ahead and do that. I believe that link will save you a little bit of money, and I hope if you do get one, let me know, and let me know what your thoughts are. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I will be back soon with another video. Bye!